Welcome to our lesson on rugby terms in Te Reo Māori. As we all know, it's our national game, so hopefully after this lesson you can enjoy it in Te Reo Māori. First, let's start with the basics. The game of rugby is known as whutupōro, which is an old phonetically borrowed word for football. The rugby ball is known as a pōro. The players on the field are known as Ataakura, and the referee is the kaiwawao. The spectators are kaimātakitaki. Notice how all of these kupu have kai in front of them. It's a prefix added to a verb which expresses some kind of action to form nouns denoting a human agent. So, tākaro is to play, wawao is to referee, and mātakitaki is to watch. Anyway, back to the whutupōro. The lines are called rārangi. The try line is known as the rārangi piro. The goalposts are called pou. Maka is pass, and kiki is kick. And to our more technical terms, nonoke is scrum, rārangi waho is line out, and kakari is ruck. These are some of the basics of our national sport, whutupōro. Give it a go.